Hey, this is Tammy Lynn Hancock, and I'm the little engine that could, and you can be the little engine that could too if you just don't give up. My goal with being on Facebook is to show network marketers how to grow their businesses online, and not only network marketers, for anybody. If you have a land-based business or have any kind of product to sell, I can definitely show you how to do that with attraction marketing. So today's video, hey guys, nice to see you. Today's video is all about how to close. And if you stay to the end of the video, I also have an important announcement for you. So, okay, let's talk about how to close. Well, when we are dealing with attraction marketing, do you realize you don't really have to close at all? Think about that. Most of you got on this video today because you were thinking I was going to give you some secret sauce to closing. Well, the secret sauce isn't in the closing. It's all about what you do before you close. Now think about it for a little bit. If we're applying the tool of attraction marketing, it's all about you being a person of value. It's all about you providing content to your target market. And yes, you're telling me right now, I have a specific target market. Let me tell you, if you're selling pickles and you want to sell your certain pickle recipe to people, there are people out there who want your pickle recipe. And the key for you to being able to get to the point of closing is to believe in the product that you're selling. You have to be passionate about it. So if we go back to what the main function of attraction marketing is, it's not you selling and not you having to sweat and get all hot and worried about, am I going to say magic words? Because you don't need to close with attraction marketing. Now, that being said, do you need to have skills on how to talk to people? Absolutely. You need some of the basic skills on being comfortable talking to people, explaining your product, explaining what's there. But the key with attraction marketing is that you've done all the work in the front. You have gained your contacts know, like, and trust. You have researched who your target market is. And then you are providing valuable content on a daily basis to your target market. So now they're coming to you and they're attracted to you. Hey guys, they're attracted to you. So then it gets to the point where you're putting out some curiosity posts and somebody's going to raise their hand and come to you and say, I see you're selling a pickle recipe. What is that pickle recipe? I want it. At that moment, that is when the close takes place. And it's not really a close at all because you're just giving them the solution and giving them what they have asked for. Do you see what the difference? If this is resonating with you, give me some loves, give me some hearts, because it really is a change of mindset. So many of us think that in order to sell our product, to grow in our network marketing company, to build our online business, whether you have a spot in a flea market, whether you have a storefront where you're selling jewelry at, okay, you can all use the concept of attraction marketing. You can do this. And the work is in the front end. It's being a person of value. And then when that person is ready, they're going to come to you and ask you, and they're going to be pursuing you to buy your product. Why? Because they know, like, and trust you. Simple, easy peasy. So when, I'm just checking on my notes here. So when you're thinking about closing, you're thinking about the needs of your contact, okay? They raise their hand and they say to you, yes, I'm interested in your pickle recipe. Well, just don't go run in there and attack them like a lion. You're not desperate. You have a solution to their problem. Share with them the solution with your problem, and don't be a desperate, begging marketer or affiliate marketer or a retailer. Don't be desperate. They either want your product or they don't. And if they want it, you're providing them with a solution. And just love on them. And then continue to give them value, because if they walk out of your store, if they walk away from that conversation and they're not ready to take the solution you have for them, they may be ready in 6 months. They may be ready in a year. but they will be ready at some time because you have continued to provide them with solutions. So keep putting solutions in front of your target market, and use this concept of attraction marketing to build your business, because it will work. Will it work tomorrow? Well, for some people it will, but for most people it's going to take some time for you to build your own credibility. And that means you need to show up every day. You need to be putting valuable content on your Facebook profile. You need to show yourself as a real person. You need to put yourself out there so that people can feel like they know, like, and trust you. You need to not be so worried about the sale that you forget about the person. Are you getting the idea? Are you getting the concept? It really takes some time to get into play. So I'd really love to be able to help you learn a little bit more about that. So just in a wrap up about the closing, attraction marketing really isn't about closing. It's all about you being a person of value, putting the information out there, responding to the needs of your target market, and when they are ready, they will come to you and raise their hand, and then you gently go out there and finish solving their solution in a matter-of-fact, easygoing kind of way. Don't be desperate, because if this person is not ready to work with you or buy your product, they will be at some point, okay? Because you have already determined that they're in your target market. It's really easy. It's really fun. It makes sharing with people so much fun because you're helping them solve their problems. And it's a win-win for everybody. Now, I told you at the beginning of the video, stay tuned for an important message. The important message is I am going to be doing, we had enough people who were interested in a challenge. So keep on the lookout. In the next couple of days, I'm going to be putting some information about a 7-day challenge that I'm going to be putting out there. I've got about 10, maybe 15 slots of people that I can work with in this challenge to really help you understand attraction marketing. Now, some people have already raised their hand and let me know that they're interested in it. Just to give you a little bit more information about that challenge. First, I'm going to be sending you a video of information, just a short clip so you know who I am. And then I'll want to do a Zoom video chat with you face to face, so that I can get to know you, you can get to know me, and we can make sure that this 7-day challenge that I want to put in is the best fit for you. And at that point, then we can decide about moving on and going into this challenge. So the announcement is, if you want to be part of my 7-day challenge, please put interested below and I will get in touch with you. If you already told me you're interested, you can put interested a second time down just to make sure that I can hold your slot for you. And then in the next couple days, you and I will get together and we'll be able to talk to each other face to face and really determine if this is the best action for you, if going forward on this challenge will really help you. I believe it will. I know that attraction marketing works, and I believe in you because you're here because you care. And I look at a lot of your profiles out there, and I see that you guys are out there working. You are out there working, and you ought to be darn proud of yourself because you know it takes a process. It takes time to learn. So while I got you, Ray. I see some people on there. So while I got you on here, does anybody have a specific question today that you need me to answer while you got me face to face with you right now? Any questions about what I talked about today, about how attraction marketing really isn't closing, it's really working on the front end and giving out content? Any questions on that? I'm going to give you a few more seconds before I close. I want to thank you for showing up for my live today. And if you are on replay, just put replay below and I'll get back to you. Yeah, feel free to share this. Feel free to click those 3 little dots on the top right and follow me, because you never know when I'm going to do a live. And if you are interested in being part of my 7-day Facebook challenge that will be starting in the next few weeks, put interested below, and I will send you a quick video and set up a Zoom challenge to make sure you're a good fit for that 7-day challenge. So I really am looking forward to working with you. And again, if you've got questions, feel free to drop them to me and I will answer them. Look forward to talking to you again. And remember, that I'm the little engine that could. And you can be the little engine that could too if you just don't give up, don't give up, don't get up, give up, don't give up, and get the right tools to build your business and believe in yourself, because I believe in you. God bless you guys. Until next time, have a good day.